Hello everyone, welcome to Wasting Academy's YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be talking about the new recruitment opportunity which has been released by THDC India, which is a Schedule A mini Ratna company, government company, and it is one of the most positive signs for us that they have released their notification recruitment process for experienced engineer / executive. So experience required is minimal, around 1 year for E2 level positions on regular basis, right? All India, they are recruiting. Opening date is how much? 12th of February, and closing date is 14th of March for the recruitment process, application form filling, right? A brief detail about THDC is mentioned, and let's get to the more prominent thing what we need to get into. So they are inviting all India basis recruitment process, and we can see for E2 level, number of posts for civil engineering 30, number of posts for engineering E2 level, electrical engineering 25, mechanical 20. Category wise also they have mentioned what are the number of notifications and vacancies. For geology and geotechnical, they have specifically mentioned 7, for environmental engineering 88, mining 7, human resource 15, and finance 15. After that, for wind power project group B positions, they have group B for wind power project E2 level grade, they have given 2 posts. Now also the PWBD category, that is physically handicapped, they have mentioned over here what are the requirements. And let's move towards the required essential qualifications. So see, for civil engineering E2 positions, you need to have a bachelor's degree, B.Tech, BE, B.Tech or BSc engineering in the required discipline with 60% marks, right? So here relevant discipline is civil engineering. Here they have mentioned that there is 1 year of experience which is required. As you can see, 1 year of post qualification experience in executive officer or cadre with minimum 100 MW capacity of hydropower and everything. All the specifications of the projects are given, right? And your age limit should be 30 years. After that, electrical engineer electrical E2 grade, full-time BE, B.Tech, BSc. Again, your relevant discipline is electrical power, electrical and electronics, power systems and high voltage, power engineering, and electronics and instrumentation. Only these disciplines are eligible for this particular position, which is therefore electrical. And 1 year of experience, post-qualification experience is required in the relevant domain. The domain has been mentioned over here. 30 year is the maximum age limit. Apart from that, again, mechanical engineering, relevant discipline is mechanical and automation engineering. Both are eligible over here. This is specifically for those students who are confused in regard of, sir, our engineering stream name is this much or this, are we eligible or not? See, in most of the notifications now, what they do is they will mention the required name of the degree of engineering on the your degree of engineering which is required. They will mention it in the advertisement. So we have to make sure that it is there. Here also 1 year of post qualification experience is necessary. After that, mechanical, geology and geotechnical. Here M.Tech and MSc students are applicable. M.Tech applied geology if you have done that. MSc applied geology if you have done that. Geotechnical technology, M.Tech in engineering geology, you will be applicable over here. 1 year of post qualification experience you should have in geological works and everything. 30 years of experience is required. Again, full-time B.Tech with M.Tech, environmental engineering position, 60% marks, and again here with M.Tech it will be required. 1 year of post qualification experience. Similarly, for engineering mining positions, full-time degree in mining engineering with 60%, it is required, and first class manager's certificate in coal from DGMS is also applicable. Minimum 1 year of post qualification experience in coal mining, right? Other than that, it is non-technical. right? Now let's see for wind part. So for wind, what is the case? For wind, it is full-time B.Tech in relevant discipline. And what is the relevant discipline for us? Electrical. Electrical and electronics, instrumentation and control, electronics engineering, all are applicable over here, right? Minimum 1 year of experience in the wind power project for 2 positions which are released. Now you can see the relaxation and concession for various categories. It is also mentioned there is sufficient relaxation as per the government norms. After that selection process, you can see selection process, it is in order to restrict number of students of candidates. If so required, the management reserves the right. So if number of students who have applied for this are very large, they have the, they have the right to have a multi-stage selection process. After that, if number of applicants meeting the eligibility criteria is less than 50 for any postcode, the selection process of that postcode shall comprise of personal interview only. So if number of candidates are less, very less, then less than 50, only personal interview will be there. So it's a again positive sign. They have mentioned if the category is there, qualifying percentage marks 50% and SC/ST it is 40%. Personal interview will be given 100% weightage in that case. Other than that, if the number of applicants are more than 50 in a particular domain, they will be conducting one examination. So the selection process for that postcode shall comprise of a written test, plus it will also have a personal interview once you qualify that written test. Written test will have 150 minutes, 2.5 hours. Medium of examination will be English and Hindi. 150 marks, 150 questions will be there. Each and every question will be of 1 mark, and the paper will be of having 3 parts. Part 1, 15 multiple choice questions of general awareness, 15 multiple choice questions of reasoning. After that, part 3, 120 multiple choice questions for concerned discipline, whichever you have applied. Marking, how the marks will be given. Each question will carry 1 mark, and every correct answer of the multiple choice, obviously 1 mark will be awarded, and 0.25 marks will be negative marking, and no marks will be awarded if you have left the question. Apart from that, you can see category wise total marks, 50% of the total marks is the basic eligibility qualifying, and for general, OBC and EWS, for SC/ST and PWBD, you can see test centers will be in Delhi, Noida, Dehradun, Lucknow and Chandigarh. So if you want to apply for this exam, so please look out for the test centers if you are able to get over there. So see, most of the students are there in Delhi also, and who are willing to travel to these places, please look into it, then only fill in the form. Otherwise, again, it will be useful, not useful for you, right? Health standards and everything, compensation package, you can see now for E2 level grade, as per again the pay scale, it is 50,000 in pay scale, in the pay scale of 50,000 plus 3% to 1,60,000, right? Is a pay grade, and everything allowances are mentioned. You can see this is as per your regular pay scale which is there. Placement, you can see the selection of candidates are liable to be posted and transferred at any of the projects, stations, offices, JVs of THDCIL. So you don't have any say in this particular area. Apart from that, general information and instructions, it is mentioned everything, and the age and experience shall be done as on 12th of February. Until 12th of February, your relaxation and experience should be completed, whatever it is required. At least 1 year should be there, right? So I hope we got the sufficient amount of information which was mainly required. So other than that, you can see it is there on the official website of THDCIL. I hope I was able to give you a different perspective to this notification. So I hope I was able to give you a different perspective to this notification. And for further updates regarding various job notifications which are being released, do subscribe to our channel and please do like this video. Thank you for watching.